Forex trading is not for everyone, but anyone can trade Forex. So you have your strategy, you have your risk management pattern, you have your trade management pattern, and your fundamental analysis in check. Now, how do you trade Forex? How does your activity look like so you don't miss out on when you're supposed to trade and start regretting? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the simple Forex trading routine that anyone can trade. Even if your job is 9 to 5, you can trade using this trading routine. In fact, this is the best trading routine for any professional Forex trader. So guys, stick to this video to the end. Hello guys, welcome to RightWay Traders. You know what we are doing here? We talk about trading realities, okay? Forex traders, they need to, especially the new ones, they need to understand the reality in trading Forex. And in this channel, this is where you get everything we'll talk about in the reality of trading Forex. So today's reality, I want to talk about the routine. What is trading routine? When we are talking about Forex trading routine, it means your daily activities in the Forex market. At what particular time are you supposed to be trading? And how does it look like? So let's dive into it step by step. So very important, people joke with this. In fact, most 95% of Forex traders don't have their routine in check. They trade randomly. They wait whenever they see signal, that's when they enter. They don't have particular time for trading. This is where they're getting it wrong. And this is why you need a trading routine. First, one thing to note, we trade on the daily time frame, okay? So it is a very perfect way to trade if you are trading on a daily time frame because the market is not running away. It comes to you every day. And so you don't have to be on the market checking, looking for signals all the time. It comes to you. You wait for it. It comes to you. How do you define your routine? Routine is very, very easy to define. But first, you need to have your strategy. We have already spoken about this, how to develop your trading strategy. If you are new to this channel, go through our YouTube channel. You find the video there on how to develop your trading strategy. Okay, though in theory, but if you want it practically, you need to get our indicator algorithm course. So you need to have a trading strategy. You need to have your management pattern and everything that involves in trading. Okay, you need to get all of that in check first. Then your routine. Your trading routine, I'm going to be using our own style of trading as an example. We trade on daily time frame. This is how our routine looks like. Okay, every day, 15 minutes before the Forex market closes, which is for now, before the daylight savings changes the closing time. For now, it is plus GMT 10 p.m. plus GMT 1 10 p.m. This is when the Forex market closes. Okay, so 15 minutes before the market closes, you should be on your phone if you are using your phone for analysis, for technical analysis, or on your system if you are using your system for your analysis. Your book, your trading book, which is your journal, should be beside you by this time. Now, what do you do 15 minutes before the market closes? Now, at this point in time, your indicators generally have relaxed and the market is about to close, so there's no much movement. So generally, the reading that your indicator will give you is 90% accurate. But you are going to confirm after the market closes, but you need to be there 15 minutes before it closes so that you'll be ahead of time. Now, first thing to do is, after waiting for the time, first thing is to check your fundamental news, upcoming event for the next day. Just note the ones that you're supposed to avoid. If there's any news that you're supposed to avoid, you write it down on your paper or your book by your side. Write down using that is the news event that is coming up on the next 24 hours. The next thing is to check on your existing positions. You know, it's a new day, so you must have been in a trade. If your trade is currently active, check on it. What has happened in the market? Has it hit your stop loss yet? Is your exit indicator calling you out? Or has it hit your first target? Or do you need to scale out? Or is there any event that is forcing you to close that position? This is where you make the decisions. Okay. Now, after managing existing position, the next thing is to scan for new trade. By this time, the market has already closed, okay, which is around 10 p.m. Okay, so the market has already closed. When the market closes, scan through for new trades. Scan through all your 28 Forex pairs. Scan through if you are trading gold, scan it. If you are trading Bitcoin, just scan. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You've checked all of this for your trade entry. Now, if you get a new trade while scanning, you write them down. Write the ones you got down. After scanning, the next step is to review the new trade that you have. Is it affected by the upcoming news? You mark it. If it's affecting, you know what we'll do, we'll avoid it, to kick it out. The ones that is being affected, kick it out. So the one that is perfect for your trade execution, the next step is to calculate your risks. Remember, at this time the market has already closed and the spread is already high, so you cannot enter position at this point. What you are doing at this point is calculating your position that you want to enter. You calculate your lot size, you calculate your stop, where you're supposed to place your stop loss, write them down. You calculate your take profit point, write it down. So all this written down. What do you do now? Now you now have a new signal to enter the market. You've already managed your previous position and you know what is coming up the next 24 hours based on fundamental analysis. The next thing now is to execute, but you don't execute immediately. You wait until that spread has closed. Usually it takes 1 hour, but you give it 1 hour, 5 minutes, so that the spread will close and it will not affect you in any way, giving you loss. So if the market closed 10 p.m., the spread will close by 11 p.m. Just give it 5 minutes after 11 p.m. This is when you enter your position, set your stop loss, set your take profit, close your laptop, you are done for that day. That is all. Normally, this doesn't take more than 15 minutes to do it, okay? But while waiting before you execute the trade, you have to wait for 1 hour before you execute what you have in place because of spread sake, okay? Now, after doing that, you close your system. You don't have anything to do again. You don't need to be checking the market every time, playing with your emotions. You don't even need to check on your trade. Once in a while, you can see and check if you are making money, but those things can trigger you into taking some action they are not supposed to take. That's why for me, I trade with my laptop. Then I watch the market with my phones. Okay, so I cannot take any position with my phone, only when I'm with the system. So I only open the system, my trading laptop, to trade when the market has closed, analyze and take my position. That's all. So this is the normal trading routine that anyone can use in trade, even if you're a banker. Once you're at home, you just do it. The market will be trading for you. You don't need to be a slave to the market looking at your chart all the time. This is a perfect routine for you. On the long run, you are making money more than the 95% that are trading on the lower chart. So guys, that is what I have to say about trading routine. If you are with us in our Telegram channel, you see us as we trade. That is, we flow with it. In our VIP channel, we flow. You see, as we are taking the position, we are making everything, you get used to it. You understand that this can be a boring lifestyle, but it is a perfect way to make money on the long run. So guys, see you on the very next video next week. We are talking about trading journal. If it is not trading journal, then it's something more important than that. So we are covering up a fundamental aspect in trading, fundamental things you need to know about forex trading realities. See you guys. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this so that it go around. We are still building this channel, okay? Make sure you share this video so go around and people will notice the reality of forex trading.